Today I'm taking a look at the SEYVUM E6 cordless blower. So we do have an instruction manual. We got our 20-volt battery pack. So I do like that each pin has 2 contact points on it. So that's going to make sure that we got a good contact on those pins. And there are a total of 3 different spots where it's going to connect. We've got a battery level indicator, and it does come fully charged, so that's nice. Simple clip on the front, so that's going to lock it in. And it says that it is a 2 amp hour. Oh, look at that. It's actually got a double battery. So I'm not sure if they're combining these for 40 volts or for 4 amps. But either way, plenty of battery power. And that one is also fully charged. So here's our charger. We got those 3 contact points. Got a red light and a green light so we know when it's charged. And we've only got one of these, so we're going to have to charge those batteries one at a time. So the first thing I'm noticing is this does use 1 single battery. So we actually have 2 batteries so that we can run this thing until that battery dies. And we got another battery we can swap out. So we only really need to charge 1 at a time anyway. Got a great big intake here on the back. One thing I do really like about this is this nice rubber handle. So this actually feels very comfortable to hold. Nice feeling switch too. Feels nice and stiff. That's good. And a nice long tube. And we can see this shape right here, so this is going to stick on and then twist. And that's going to hold right on these pegs right here and right there. And you can also see this extra spot, so if we click it one more turn, now it's locked in. So altogether, this is fairly light, which is important because these things, after you use them for a while, they really start to weigh you down. So having a nice light one like this, that's very good to have. We got 2 speed options. Surprisingly, it's not that loud. So it's just getting to fall. We don't actually have leaves on the ground here, but I'm going to see exactly what this looks like with some debris. Yeah, this will work perfectly fine for moving leaves. So yeah, overall, that is a very nice leaf blower.